Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to share your Wix website link. Sharing your website link is essential for spreading the word about your content, whether you're a blogger, business owner, or hobbyist. Let's go step by step to make this process simple and seamless. First, log into your Wix account, open your web browser, go to the Wix website, and enter your email and password to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your sites listed. Choose the website you want to share if you have more than one. Next, click on the Edit Site button next to your chosen website. This will take you to the Wix website editor, where you can make any updates or changes. Take a moment to ensure everything looks exactly how you want it to appear for your audience. Once your site is ready, it's time to publish it. Look for the Publish button, usually at the top right corner of the editor. Clicking Publish makes your changes live and accessible to everyone. After publishing, a pop-up will appear containing your live site URL. You'll also see a button that says View Site. Click on it to open your live website in a new tab and confirm everything looks perfect. Now focus on the URL in the address bar, highlight it, and copy it using right-click and copy, or use Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Your URL is now ready to share. You can paste it anywhere: emails, social media, messages, using right-click and paste or Ctrl+V/Command+V. Sharing your website is a fantastic way to increase visibility, drive traffic, and engage your audience. It's quick and easy once you know the steps. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Wix tutorials and tips